Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're tackling a super practical topic: how to send Solana from Crypto.com to Gemini in 2025. If you're into crypto, you know how important it is to move your assets securely, especially with the evolving blockchain landscape. Solana is one of the fastest growing cryptocurrencies, and transferring it between exchanges like Crypto.com and Gemini can help you diversify or access better features. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you're all set up. You'll need active accounts on both Crypto.com and Gemini, with some Solana in your Crypto.com wallet. Also, double-check that you have the correct Gemini wallet address ready. This is crucial to avoid any mishaps. Remember, crypto transactions are irreversible, so accuracy is key. Step 1. Log into your Crypto.com app or website. Head over to your wallet section and select the Solana asset. Once you're there, look for the Withdraw or Send option. It's usually straightforward, but if you're on mobile, it might be under a menu icon. Next, enter the recipient details. Paste in your Gemini wallet address for Solana. Be extra careful here. Copy and paste directly to prevent typos. You'll also need to specify the amount you want to send, and don't forget to check any network fees. Solana transactions are known for being fast and cheap, but fees can vary. Before you hit confirm, review everything. The address, the amount, and the network. It should be Solana's network. Once you're good, go ahead and confirm the transaction. You'll get a confirmation notification, and you can track the status on both platforms. One quick tip: always monitor your transaction on a blockchain explorer like Solana's official site to ensure it goes through smoothly. If you run into issues, like delays, check for network congestion or contact support from either exchange. And there you have it. Your Solana is now on its way to Gemini. This process is simple once you get the hang of it, but always prioritize security in the crypto world. If this tutorial helped you, smash that like button, subscribe for more guides, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.